Hello everyone. In today's class we discuss a method, second method, that is the method of inspection or the method of the grouping of the terms. This method is useful to solving the total differential equation, that is p into dx plus q into dy plus r into dz equal to 0. Okay, if p into dx plus q into dy plus r into dz equal to 0, this form is said to be a total differential equation. Okay, the method first is what? That is taking any one of the variable as a constant. The second method is the method of inspection. Then how to find out which is the method first and which is the method second? Okay, just I will tell you some idea. If they will ask for 5 marks, the solving the total differential equation, then that must be a method first. Okay, if they are asking the total differential equation, that is in the form of p into dx, q into dy, r into dz equal to 0 for a 2 marks, then must be that is a method second. Okay, for a 2 marks that is a method second, for a 5 marks that is a method first. Okay, let's see how to solve method second. Okay, see, before solving, first we have to see some standard formulas. Okay, see here, first one is a d of xy. That means x into y. The differentiation of xy is what? X into dy plus y into dx. Okay, that means we know that differentiation of uv rule. Okay, and integration of differentiation of xy is what? Differentiation get cancelled, get simply xy. Okay, and second formula, we know that this is for a 2 variable. If it is the 3 variables, then how to define derivative? Derivative of x, y, z. Here, putting 2 variables x, y as it is, z differentiation is a dz plus. Next, putting y, z as it is, x differentiation is dx. Next, zx as it is, y differentiation is dy. So, this is the differentiation of 3 variables. Okay. Then, integration differentiation of x, y, z is what? We have to integrate differentiation, get cancelled with simply x, y, z. Okay. See, next, the third one is the derivative of log x plus y. You know that log x is a 1 by x. For a log x plus y, we have a 1 plus xy. And what about x differentiation is a dx, y differentiation is dy. So, that is a derivative. That means derivative of log x plus y is what formula? It's a dx plus dy divided by x plus y. Okay. Then what about integration differentiation of log x plus y? It's a differential integral get cancelled with simply log x plus y. Suppose there can be reverse. Integration of dx plus dy divided by x plus y. Integration is what? We get a log of x plus y. Okay. Then fourth one, the differentiation, it is for 2 variables. Suppose it is in the form of 3 variables. That is, derivative of log of x plus y plus z is what? 1 divided by x plus y plus z. And x derivative is dx, y derivative is dy, z derivative is dz. Okay, so it can be taken in reverse, that is integration of this term, that is dx plus dy plus dz divided by x plus y plus z is equal to what? We get log x plus y plus z. So these are some standard formula. These formulas are useful for solving the total differential equation. Let's see, it's a very easy, directly how to integrate. Okay, let's see first example. This type of example, that is a second method, they will ask for 2 marks. Okay, solve. For question paper, they will ask only mention solve method. They mention solve. That means you have to find out, is it a total, is it a simultaneous, or any other partial differential equation. Okay, let's see. It is in the form of what? P dx, q dy, r dz equal to 0. Then it is a total differential equation. If it is asking for 2 marks, then you have to apply method second. If they are asking for 5 marks, they will apply method first. Here asking for 2 marks. See, first you have to find out this total differential equation is integrable. That means it is solvable or not. For that, you have to find out the condition of integrability. You know that condition of integrability, I am directly here taking the equation is integrable. That means the condition of integrability is what? The determinant of PQR, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z is equal to 0. Then only the total differential equation is solvable. Then only you have to get the solution of a total differential equation. Here I am taking directly, equation is integrable, is left to you for you. You have to solve that integral, condition of integrability. That means you have to show that determinant is equal to 0. Okay, next, Therefore, equation is integrable. Then we have to directly integrate. That is the solution. Directly integration, what to get? Integration of dx, dy, dz. We go to some constant integral. Then dx is what? X. Dy is y. Z is what? Dz is z. Therefore, the solution is what? X plus y plus z equal to c. Okay. See one more. Second example. Second example, see. In second example, solve y plus z into dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. See in second example, okay, I am mentioning once again, if they are asking for 2 marks, apply second method. If they are asking 5 marks, then you have to use method first. These are all 2 marks examples, okay, that is a method second. Okay, see here, this is the with respect to dx is there, but our variable multiply with y plus z. Here dy plus dz. It's very complicated, this term. This is easy, directly have to integrate. But for dx, it's very complicated because we have a with respect to x, but we have containing y, z. That's why I'm taking dividing y plus z. This equation rearranging, we get dx plus dy plus dz divided by y plus z equal to 0. Now we have to integrate. Okay, you have to written here equation is integrable. That must be important. Okay, integrate. What you get? Dx is x. See, it is in the form of, you know that previous, I will tell the some standard formulas. It is in the form of 1 divided by x form. That is 1 divided by y plus z. That is the integration is what? We get a log of y plus z with a constant integral. So this is the solution. Take one more. xyz dx minus 3zx dy minus 4xy dz equal to 0. See here this example, we do not get a proper terms to integrate. Okay, equation is integrable, but the dx containing xyz, dy containing zx, dz containing xy. Okay, we have to must and should in dz, this term we have to eliminate xy, in this term we have to eliminate zx, in this term we have to eliminate yz. That's why, and generally it is in the form of this type of example. Generally you have to taking dividing x, y, z. What you get? X, y, z get cancelled, simply you get a dx minus 3 constant as it is, zx get cancelled, remaining is what? Y, and minus 4 as it is, x, y cancel, you get a simply z. It is a 1 by z into dz is equal to 0. Okay, next you have to directly integrate. What you get? Dx is a x, 3 constant as it is, 1 by y is a log y, 4 constant as it is, 1 by z is a log z is equal to 6. So this is a solution of a given total differential equation. Okay, it's depend on the example. Is it a multiply, is it a divide, or is it a directly integrate? Okay, let's see fifth one, that is yz log z dx minus zx log z dy plus xy dz equal to 0. See here, with respect to dx is there, we have to must and should eliminate yz log z here. Here with respect to dy is there, but containing zx, that must be zx log z. Here log z common, yz here zx, that must be, you have to eliminate x, y, z log z. Okay, here also you have to eliminate xy, and generally that's why I'm taking, because we do not get directly integrate these terms. Okay, that's why I'm taking dividing the terms x, y, z log z. What you get here? Yz log z cancel, you get a 1 by x into dx minus here zx log z get cancel, you get only 1 by y into dy plus here xy get cancel, we get a 1 by z log z dz equal to 0. Okay, now see here the integrating 1 by x integration is what? Log x minus 1 by y integration is what? Log y plus, see here it is in the form of 1 by z log z. Okay, 1 divided by z can be rewritten in the taking the numerator. What you get? Integration 1 by z divided by log z into dz equal to 0. Here I am applying this formula, that is integration of f dash of x divided by f of x is what? That is a log of f of x. Okay, f of x is what? That's a log z. F dash is what? 1 by z. We know that log z differentiation is 1 by z. Then we have to get here for f of x have a log z. Therefore, this is as it is. You will get a log of log z, because it is the formula is what? Log of f of x. F of x is what? Log z. That's why log of z is equal to c. It is in the form of log m minus log n. Then log m minus log n is what? Log of m by n, that is log of x by y, plus log of log z equal to 6. So this is the solution. Let's see one more example here. Solve y plus z into dx plus z plus x into dy plus x plus y into dz equal to 0. Okay. See here also, here dx is there, we get a y plus z, dy is there, z plus x, here dz is x plus y. Here there is no common term to divide. Here the plus sign is there. In previous example we have multipliers, directly I am taking that terms, but it is containing addition. Addition we do not directly divide. That's why simplifying these terms. Okay. The example are depend on. Here we have to divide, here also we have to divide. It's depend on the example. Okay. Here we do not divide the terms. That's why I'm taking each term, differentiate, each term multiplying, solving these brackets. What you get? Y into dx, z into dx, z into dy, x into dy, x into dz, y into dz equal to 0. Okay. Next we have a total, how much terms? We have 6 terms. I'm taking first x into this term, x into dy first, next y into dx. Okay. Next z into dx and x into dz, and z into dy remaining y into dz. It is in the form of what? X as it is, y differentiation is dy, and plus y as it is, x differentiation dx. That is the differentiation of UV rule, that is d of xy. This is, it is in the form of z as it is, x is dx, plus x as it is, z is dz. It is the differentiation of zx, and similarly this is a differentiation of yz is equal to 0. Now you have to integrate directly. What you get? Differentiation integration get cancelled. You get a xy plus zx plus yz is equal to c. Integration constant. So these are the some example of a total differential equation using the method second. Okay. So this is our total differential equation. So this complete your first chapter. Okay. In next class we will discuss about the unit 4. I will start unit 4. That's a partial differential equation. It's a very easy chapter, and the unit 2 and unit 3 are very lengthy. There's something later. I will take that units later. First I will complete unit 4 and 5. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me in group or personally message me. Thank you.